In tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve the certificate error in Microsoft Edge so you can browse securely again. If you see a certificate error, first check if the date and time on your computer are correct. An incorrect date may cause security issues. Click the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and type Date and Time. Select Date and Time settings from the list. In the Date and Time settings, click on the Internet Time tab on the right. Click Change Settings. Ensure Synchronize with an Internet Time server is checked. Click Update Now to synchronize your system's clock. After synchronization, revisit the website to check if the error is resolved. You should no longer see the certificate warning. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.